Okay, Torsten Gilbert. Say hi to your Uncle Joe. Oh, wait. We gotta turn it this way. There you go. Say hi to your Uncle Joe.
Good cracker. So good. Yes. It's nice to have a cracker. It's nice to have a midnight snack of a cracker.
That tasty cracker, Tor?
Cracker. So good, the cracker.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
There you go. All right. It's good?
Yum.
It's tasty?
Good cracker.
Tasty. Mmm.